So this is the Ferrari Fxx K Evo. I've had to say that a couple of times. It's becoming a tongue twister. So sorry if it sounds weird. This car is in the blue and white. Unlike the regular black and red Fxx K that I've previously opened. But let's just open it now. So this box, I didn't really notice it until I got home and was doing the last half of the Costco video of me showing what I got. What I didn't notice is that someone left gum in the boxes, like in between the boxes. So, because when I was grabbing them, I felt a little stickiness, but I thought that was just the boxes like getting stuck together, because it came off pretty easily. But I didn't really notice it till I got home. It was actually gum instead. So I had to scrape it off as best as I could. Kind of damaged the box, but it's fine since I'm not selling these or trying to resell them or whatever. Since it's just pure collecting, so maybe at some point this will get unboxed and will stay out of the box for a while, or forever. So I don't really care too much. I just find that kind of gross and a bit rude. So is what it is. So this is the car out of the box. Pretty heavy. That's a lot more aggressive. I don't think the regular one was like that. So now let's remove these strips so we can open the doors. So I think that's everything. Already a lot more aggressive that I can tell compared to the other one. You got radiators in there, and this is actually open, so I think that's pretty cool. A nice detail. Usually it's covered by like fake mesh or something. The inside, that's a huge door. You could see the steering wheel, a nice racing wheel, the dash, which is just like as simple and basic as it can be for weight reduction, I'm assuming. So that's cool. Now let's see if we can open the back. So the back, it does open, and just like the other one, they do come with stands, so you can let it rest like that, which I think is pretty cool. Again, not much detail back here, since most of it is molded in black. Some quote-unquote carbon fiber bits, but it just looks more like a gloss black. So again, you have bronze or whatever color that's supposed to be. Exhaust tips, that's pretty nice. And something I saw was a lot of extra fins and sharp edges. I'm assuming for downforce and to cut through the air a lot better, but that's pretty cool looking. So now let's remove the stand. So with the stand removed, this is what the bottom looks like. The tire has slicks. The wheels look really good. The brakes, a little bit better than the other XXK. Honestly, not anything here, just the name, just the basic stuff. You have these right here, and that's about it for that. So now let's put it on the rotating stand. So that is the Evo in the blue. Honestly, it's a pretty beautiful looking car with all the sharp angles, the color that this one is in, and how aggressive it looks. Like, you'd almost think it's the real thing if you have like good enough photos. But a beautiful looking car. Let's open all the doors. So now with everything open, you could see the engine. You could barely see the interior. You could see the radiators in the front. The interior looks amazing. Hard to tell on camera because, you know, it's molded in black. The engine bay, good amount of detail in it. Can't see much, but it's fine as always. Usually you have your cars sitting still like this anyway, so it's still pretty good looking. Not much else I could say about it, so that's about it.